Alright guys, maybe somebody could help me out here. I just got this 97 Eagle Talon. Idles it, it's misfiring. It's around 1,000. When I give it gas, you can hear it sputter. If I do it slowly, not as much. When I hit it, you can hear it misfiring. When I do it slow, smell it really bad. Exhaust. A lot of smoke. See all the smoke around the damn car. It's quick. You hear it tapping.